need to take time to find your bread and butter trade. Ang focus is very important. Dahan-dahanin mo, huwag ka mafo-FOMO. Diba? I always tell you to trust the system. No, I want you to wait for a confirmation candle. Wait for this line to be broken. To never, ever do shortcuts in trading.
Kaya ang galing-galing talaga pag natutunan mo yung tinuturo ni Coach bago na-i-apply mo. Bago yung patient lang, yung patient tsaka yung discipline.
Si Coach kasi, he's not just a content creator. Talagang mentor siya. Pinaglalaanan niya ng oras lahat ng videos niya. Not for him, not to get subscribers, pero para matuto tayo, para maging profitable tayo kagaya niya. Sobrang amazing lang kasi konti lang yung taong gano'n na hindi madamot, na hindi niya sasarilinin kung paano siya mag-earn ng pera. Si Coach kasi mas gusto niya pang i-share yung blessings niya.
Nag-decide ako i-PM po kayo, nag-enroll po ako sa inyo sa beginner class. Ginawa ko po talaga everyday, 3 to 4 videos na sa YouTube ang pinapanood ko. Tapos ninonote ko pa talaga lahat.
Magpahinga ka. Hindi tatakbo yung market, hindi mauubos yung trade setup na yan. Find that bread and butter setup. Vulnerability in trading is our most accurate measurement of trading quotient. You have yet to see your success. You have yet to see your millions. Andiyan dyan na. Are you going to give up today? Or are you going to use the word not yet? Hi ka Miranda, isang magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Isa ka ba sa mga maraming traders na lagi nakikita yung mga post ni Coach Miranda Miner na left hand, right hand, TLSBD, TRBO at mga iba't ibang klase mga profits, scalping, profitable setups at kung ano-ano pa? So pues, ito nang pinakihintay ninyo. Today is gonna be an enrollment day and let me show to you our schedules ASAP. Here you go. I'm very excited for you guys. Ayan, Miranda. So, today, actually, nag-start na po ang ating July 1 and 15, July 2 and 16 tomorrow for the day 1 of our scheduled classes. Yan, ito po ay recorded class. At meron po tayong live bootcamp on day 1 and day number 2. So humabol ka na for batch 30 tomorrow, no? At humabol ka na rin for batch 35 and 36 for the beginner class tomorrow and also the intermediate class na kung gusto mong kumita like this, pakita ko sa inyo like that yung mga profits natin. This is just kanina, no? Almost 300 plus ADA yung kinita natin for that particular swing. Kumita rin tayo ng sandamakmak na profits nung pababa yung ADA, yung Cardano using our system. Meron tayong isang talo pero karamihan panalo pa rin. Nanalo rin tayo nung pababa yung market nearing a 618 area. Umabot tayo ng almost $70 dyan. Nanalo rin tayo ng trades around 44 ADA. Nag-warning pa tayo dyan, Miranda, no? Nag-warning pa tayo dyan sa trade na yan na mauuntog na, no? Kumita rin tayo rito ng profit on that particular scalping Halmachi setup. Kumita rin tayo rito ng almost $20 plus 22 ADA on that particular scalping setup again. Kumita na naman tayo dito ng almost $50 plus 78 ADA on this downward trend. Kumita na naman tayo ng sandamakmak na profits on this particular swing pataas after a TRBO. Kumita na naman tayo dito after that breakdown on major support. At kumita na naman tayo dito almost $100 on this particular swing low and swing high after the TRBO. Napakarami. Nako, nakikita naman nyo naman lahat yan sa ating mga Twitter, Facebook accounts. And I'm sure ikaw din, you can actually earn on this market. Mapababa man yan, mapataas. It's really gonna be up to you. Just keep on learning, Miranda. Tulad yan, another earnings, pababa po yung market. Nako, sandamak. Although may talo tayo, $20, 14 ADA yung talo natin. But definitely, I'm sure, Miranda, ikaw din magiging profitable. Enroll na, humabol ka na. And if you would like to take advantage of our combo package na napakalaki po ng discounts, please email us at eliteuniversity@globalmirandaminer.com to take advantage of yung mga more than 1,000 plus discounts. No? Ngayon ka na mag-email. And I look forward seeing you in our class, Miranda. Again, my name is Coach Miranda Miner. I'm here to help you. Not to give you signals, but to give you, sabi nga ng isang kasabihan, give a man a signal and you help him have a meal for the day. But you help or give a man an effective trading system and you help that man for his lifetime. And that is my commitment and my promise to you if you learn our system. Maraming salamat, Miranda, and I love you 3,000. Hi there, Miranda. I would like to invite each and every one of you to visit us in our website. In YouTube, please look for Coach Miranda Miner. No? And I'm also available in Facebook, Instagram, in Discord, in Twitter, in TikTok. Hanapin mo lang legitimate account ni Coach Miranda Miner. I will also put comment down below yung ating official link ng ating lahat ng mga official social media channels. And I look forward seeing you there para matulungan ka rin namin and you can actually join our thousands of Miranda community members for free. I'll see you, Miranda, and again, once again, maraming salamat sa malasakit and I love you 3,000.
Hi, Coach Miranda Miner. We talked a few times na before, but I didn't get to formally introduce myself pa. So I'm good. I'm an airline pilot. And I'm Elite University graduate. Beginner's class batch 21 and intermediate class batch 18. I'm also a former mentee of my high school classmate and barkada, si Mentor Luke. I want to take this opportunity lang to thank you, not only for teaching us a very safe and effective trading system, not only sa mga fundamental and technical analysis every night during live sessions, not only sa anatomy of fish and port creation ng intermediate class, but most importantly, I want to thank you, Coach, for teaching us good trading psychology na pwede rin i-apply in real life scenarios. Thank you always, Coach, for going the extra mile to help others. And sana huwag ka magsasawang tumulong sa ayun lang. I love you 3,000 Coach, and shout out ko na rin yung buong Miranda community. I love you 3,000x Miranda, and magmahalan lang tayo at maging possible.
Daily affirmation and commitment. Ako ay isang disiplinadong crypto trader. I will always plan my trades. I will not enter if it's not my bread and butter trade. I will say no to FOMO dahil I can always earn profits naman in my alpha trades. May tamang signals for buying and selling. Bakit ako? Manghuhula analysis. I will journal my trades because I want to know myself more. I know that my emotions will be known if I write them down. I will treat trading as a business and that since I don't have a boss, I will make myself accountable to my losses. I will do all of this, I promise. Because alam ko, yayaman ako, uunlad ako, I can reach my dreams very soon. Trading is not a sprint, it is a marathon, and I am a millionaire. Millionaire trader and I have a millionaire mindset.
Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Isang magandang lalaki po ako. Uy guys, medyo okay ba yung aking audio today? Okay ba? Can you please comment? Kasi kung hindi, tatanggalin ko tong headset ko. No, isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. No, isang napakagandang gabi. Yan. Hello. Ayan, na-miss nyo ba ako? Miranda! Woohoo! Hindi po bagong mic ito. Matagal na po ako nagmamic. Tinanggal ko lang po ng matagal na. Oy, na-miss ko kayo ha. Isang maganda pong gabi. This is Coach Miranda Minor and welcome to our DJ at Night. My name is Coach Miranda Minor and you're listening to DJ 105.5. Ay, kailangan natin magsaya kasi, naku, napaka-profitable naman po natin, syempre, because we have been giving guidance to our community every day na ginawa po na pagkakataon na tayo ay makapag-trade. We have been giving. No, we have been giving all different types of market updates. No, and of course, kung handa ka na, ang dami nagwawala po ang ating chat room today, ha? Malamig pala ang boses, yes. Alam mo ba, ako po ay isang dating DJ on air. Okay, anyways, alam mo, our topic for today is about CPI Report. Alam mo, napaka-importanting malaman ng report. Alam mo, sobrang pasasalamat ko talaga sa research team ng Miranda Minor Community. Thank you for giving us a lot of information. Malamang sa malamang. Busog-lusog na naman po ang ating community today. Woohoo! Alright, anyways, maraming nakamiss. Dapat parang sa radio pala ang Dear Coach. Oo naman, sabi ni Carlo Q. Yun. Alright, let's now go with our topic for today. Again, my name is Coach Miranda Minor. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe and hit that like button, guys. Come on, let's do this. Alright, thank you again to Peter Bon Tulyao. Sabi niya, ang lupit ng hagod, Coach. Alam mo ba, syempre, ang dami kong talent, ha? Hindi lang ako, gusto mo kantahan pa kita eh. Namana lang ako sa aking auntie, no? Magaling kumanta yung taong yan. Nasa stage na ngayon. Anyways, thank you again for everyone. Let's now go on with our topic for today, Kamiran. And of course, our topic is brought to us by
This program is brought to you by BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you could find your next crypto gem and where trading is made easy.
Alright, our topic for today is about yan. Nakikita nyo yan, medyo nakaganon ako. Ano ba pwedeng mangyari? What's gonna be happening on July 13, no? What's gonna be happening on July 13? Yan, 13. Alam mo, bukas na yan. At parang awa mo na, please do not put any massive positions today. It's gonna be our first learning for today, Miranda, no? Parang awa mo na, please do not, because the market can invalidate you, not even shorting, not even long, no? Tomorrow is gonna be a very massive day. Alam mo, we have been listening to many cryptocurrency and stock market analysts, especially for those that are in the United States. At nakita po natin talagang lahat po, even on the stock market world, Forex at kung saan-saan pa, everyone's actually thinking, hang on, stop for a minute, baka dead cat bounce yung nangyari last week. You know? And sa mga nakakakilala po sa atin, we have been giving a lot of reminders. Type number 1, kung isa ka sa mga na-remind natin na huwag kang magbida-bida dyan, ha? Sabi ko po sa inyo, wag po kayo maglulong because alam ko po na may nag-manipulate po ng price natin. From a price perspective, someone manipulated the price to hit again another high, no? Swing high at around 22,500 at yun. Bumaba po yan, potentially almost going to around 19,000 today. Yan. Oy, bako na ka mo bako mo ma-in love sa kuya, ha? Alam ko magayon yun yung boses. No, maayong banggisin no gabos mga manoy manay, no? At salamat sa inyong pagtabang sa pag-share ng ating channel. Kaipuan natin magtukdo aral daw ning crypto, no? Para lahat tayo, no? Mag-profit in cryptocurrency. Let's now dive into our topic. Yan, dami nag-type ng number 1. Very, very good. Talagang guys, just listen, no? Just listen. And I'm sure you're gonna be profitable. Same as me, no? Because sabi ko nga sa isang Twitter post kanina, alam mo, mas maganda na alam mo, you're not being surprised by the market. No? And how are you not gonna be surprised is if you are guided for free. Alam mo, itong community natin, libre ko naman binibigay yan eh. I've been giving you guys technically signals for free not to go long on this market because this market was just gonna be retesting a support. Diba? So, let's now move on, Miranda. Parang ako nagagandahan din ako sa boses ko eh. Napakaganda pala ng boses ko pag meron akong modulator. Wow. Okay, let's now move on kasi napakarami kong topic ngayon, guys. Let's now move on with our topic for today. So I'm going to reiterate yung topic ko with the members. Alam mo, if you're not yet a member, ang dami kong dinidiscuss sa mga members, no? Ang dami ko, I discuss a lot and they hear it first. Again, it's an option for you not to join. It's purely voluntary, but they do have access to a lot of great contents, no? Naka-record din yan. So I've had a good live yesterday. So ngayon, bibigyan kita ng konting update on what we have discussed yesterday. And of course, I'm gonna be discussing even more, particularly on the strength of the US dollar, no? So, ano po ba mangyayari bukas? No? What's gonna be happening tomorrow, guys? July 13, there's going to be, ako ang tingin ko, 75 BPS or BIPs, no? Or basis points. Sure na po yan, no? Yung tinatawag nating super size allocations from the Fed. Yan. Number 2, alam niyo po ba kasi, bakit po ba papalo ang CPI ng 8.8%? So based on our statistics, no, crude oil grew to 3.6 percentage points higher from June in May. Hoy, mamaya na kayo ma-in love sa boses ko, makinig muna kayo, ha? Alam ko maganda yung live today, pero hey, hinay-hinay, huy. Huy. Makinig sa sinasabi ko, hindi sa boses ko, ha? Nakoy talaga. Alright, so again, tanong ni Kryptonic, what's my thought on euro to dollar? I have a whole thesis on that today. So antayin po ninyo, I'm gonna be discussing that euro to dollar parity and what's the effect of that in the stock market, no? Alright, so crude oil 3.6% higher than in June, no, than in May. Ergo, ang tingin po natin, inflation is gonna be at 8.8 for June versus 8.6. Let's just pause on that for a minute, guys, no? Alam mo, 8.8% is going to be the highest in 40 years. Medyo nakakapangilabot yan, ha? Nakakapangilabot yan, 8. Sana hindi totoo. No? Sana, I wish it's not true. No? I wish that our data is incorrect. No? Because crude oil really increased naman po, and crude oil po is parte po ng ating CPI. No? Tumakas po ng 3.6%. Is it enough to drive inflation? Is it enough to drive inflation? Tingnan mo sa paligid mo. Sa Pilipinas, humataw na ang inflasyon ng June. Diba? Humataw ng inflasyon. Diba? So, inflation can peak for 8.8. Ergo, mukhang sigurado na tayo sa 75 basis points, no? For Fed. No? So, anong ibig sabihin nito, Miranda? What does that mean? Sabi ni Jack Burns, nadidistract kami, Papa Miranda, parang love notes. Wow. Ako kayo talaga. Alright, so what does that mean? What does that mean, Miranda? Inflation can peak at 8.8%. CPI can become 75 bips. Alam mo, Miranda, if you go back to our chart noong June 10, ito po yung nangyari dyan. Noong June 10, lumabas yung May report, nasa States tayo niyan, and it was one of the worst. No, one of the worst yan. Buksan natin yung ating chart as of Bitcoin as of June 10. Tingnan mo ito mabuti, ha? Okay, we're gonna be opening our 1 day. Okay? And you will notice here, Miranda, I'm going to open my chart. And here you will notice that as of June 10th, doon po talagang dili-dali itong si Bitcoin at nako, pagkatapos sumunod-sunod, humataw po pa nagkaroon ng breakdown on our channel support. No? Nagkaroon ng tuloy-tuloy, boom, 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 boom. Humataw ng 17,000 multi-year support po yan. No? So ang tanong, magkakaroon ba? July, ito na naman siya. Oh, uy, sus, grabe naman to. Talagang parang may something eh. Ito, June 10, this is the candle. This is the candle. This is gonna be the July 13. Naku, mukhang siniseryoso talaga ng market. Parang someone's really manipulating to have this big red candle here, no? So, is it going to be a breakdown of support? Here? Tulad nito. That is going to be answered either today or tomorrow. And this is the reason, Miranda, na sinasabi ko po sa inyo, maghinahon po kayo. Please, maghinahon. Because kapag tayo nag-short, nag-heavy shorting tayo, and this created a massive bounce, what's gonna be happening? Diba? And if this creates, nag-buy long ka today, kahit anong bili mong coin yun, and Bitcoin creates a massive short, talo ka. And this is the reason why I keep on talking about confirmation candles. No, that's the reason why it's part of our system, the confirmation candles. Because confirmation candles will confirm kung ang trend ba talaga is on a breakdown or nagpaparamdam lang. Nagpaparamdam, maraming ganyan, nagpaparamdam lang sumusundot sa taas, tapos biglang bababa. So you need to be very careful. Maraming nagsabing analyst, this is going to be, they call it the most volatile week of the year. No, one of the most volatile week of the year. All right? Okay. So, babalikan ko ito maya-maya. No? I'm gonna be right back with our charts. So, at the end of the day, let's now go back with one of our highlights as well from yesterday's meeting. Re-echo ko sa inyo. Okay, this week, what aside from the inflation week, ano pa yung bago? Retail earning week. Lalabas ang report ng Pepsi, ng Delta, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, and Citigroup. Medyo tingin natin, medyo kakarga ng medyo okay, mixed bag ito, no? Maganda, hindi maganda. But these are the big banks that's gonna be reporting their earnings for quarter number 2. And of course, lalabas na din, of course, alam mo, nung Friday, lumabas yung pagkaganda-gandang payroll report. Alam mo ba kasi, just on the layman term para po sa inyo, A payroll report, basically, ito ay nagiging dahilan din ng inflation. Bakit kamo? You need to remember, from an economic cycle, ang isang tao na malaki ang sinasahod, they have more money to spend. And from an inflation perspective, as an economist, minimeasure mo dapat kung ano ba ang average payroll ng tao. Okay? Kapag tumaas ang payroll ng tao because there is underemployment, meaning the current workforce na ngayon, medyo poprotektahan niya ng mga kumpanya. Uy, magstay ka, bibigyan ka ng increase. And every time that there is a payroll report that is increasing, driver po yan for Fed to even tighten, okay? To even drive high interest rates. Ulitin ko ha, pag mataas po ang payroll, mataas ang average payroll, no? Ang productivity hours mababa, mataas ang average payroll hours, mataas po ang payroll average ng isang empleyado sa states, it can mean that people will have purchasing power and it can mean that people can buy product, which means kabaligtaran ng gusto mangyari ng Fed, which is demand destruction. So darating ang panahon, pag pataas na pataas ang payroll, pataas din na pataas ang interest rates, iisipin ng Fed, teka lang, parang kulang ah. Dapat pala, hindi lang interest rates ang tinataas ko. I need to be controlling payroll already. I need to be controlling payroll already. Okay? And then, because of this, medyo mataas maganda yung strong labor report, the Treasury yield slipped again from an average of 2.9 percentage points up to 3.04. But, kagandahan nito, inverted pa din, mas mataas pa rin yung 2 years than 10 years, which is gonna be somewhere, kumbaga medyo good driver ng economy yan. Let's move on. Ito na. So, ano ba ang nangyayari? Discuss po natin ng medyo mabilis. No? What's happening with this headline? No? So, Euro and USD parity. What is going on, Miranda? What is going to happen when there is a parity of the US dollar to the Euro? Okay, pakita ko muna yung chart sa inyo because we're gonna be focusing on a lot of data today, no? Bubusugin ko kayo ng sandamakmak na learnings kasi alam nyo naman, sulit na sulit ang panonood sa ating channel, no? And these are very, very important economic indicators kasi sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, lahat ng sinasabi ko dito may kinalaman yan kay crypto. Ha? May kinalaman ito. Tingnan mo yung chart na pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon. Kung hindi yan, hindi magdadrive ng big candle yan if there is no correlation with the tech stocks. No? So puntahan natin ngayon, mabilis na mabilis, si DXY. DXY or DXY is actually a dollar exchange currency index. Ito ay nagbibigay ng lakas ng dolyar against other metrics. Tingnan mo to guys ha. I'm going to show to you an aha moment. No? In the past 20 years, baka iba sa inyo, hindi pa pinapanganak nito. No? In the past 20 years, you will notice that dollar has reached a strength of 108. 108 strength. Yan po ang lakas ng dolyar way back 2002. This strength of the dollar today, Miranda, ito po ay napakalakas na strength ng dolyar na kasing lakas way back 2002. Question, what's driving this? And ano ba ang effect nito sa kay cryptocurrency? Daanan natin ng mabilis. What's the effect of dollar exchange index to cryptocurrency? Himayin natin ng mabilis, no? Unang-una, what is driving euro to go down? One, yung rehiyon ng Europa o ng Europa, they're actually cutting supplies, no? Russia is currently already cutting gas supply to Europe. Number two, fundamentally, something's wrong with Europe. Why? Ang dami nalang drivers doon. Taas ng gas price, political turmoil, di ba? Within the day, they need to already narrow down the list of potential next prime ministers replacing Boris Johnson in UK. Of course, although may Brexit na, pero malaki pa rin ang effect ng Bank of England or ng UK in the European sector. And you need to remember, ang dami nilang I think there's also a British-Indian guy, no, that's actually running. Tingnan natin kung sino mananalo. And they're actually trying to fast-track it. So instead of 10 nominees, they're gonna be driving to around 20 nominees, narrowing it down further to potentially bypass one step. So, what's driving euro strength? No, today, again, as I've said, Russia cutting down supply on European gases. And then number two, fundamentals in Europe. What is driving dollar strength right now? Number one, Federal Reserve driving interest rates, no, is driving dollar strength, no. Another thing, kapag ang dolyar sobrang lakas, of course, side effect po ng federal increase ng rates ang pagtaas ng dollar. Okay? Ang pagtaas po ng dollar is a side effect of Federal Reserve driving 75 basis points month on month. Supersized rates po yan. Question. Kapag tumaas ang interest, dumaas ang interest rate, sa taas ang dollar, what's gonna be happening next? Ito'y medyo kakaiba. No? Maraming, noong mga 5 years, 6 years, 7 years ago, maraming mga kumpanya, pag tumataas ang strength ng dollar, mas gumaganda ang earnings nila. Kasi it makes sense eh. Diba? Pag gumanda ang dolyar mo, mas mataas ang kaya mong bilhin from an import perspective. Diba? If you're importing goods, the power of your money can buy more because your dollar is stronger. However, again, I'll repeat this ha. Ulitin ko to. However, there's around 35% companies in the US na kapag tumaas ang dolyar, they're going to be affected by the strength of the dollar. Bakit? Kabaliktaran sila. Diba? Kabaliktaran sila. They're exporting goods. They're using dollars. People who are buying their products, sasabihin nila, teka lang, ang mahal ng palitan natin. Ang dolyar ngayon, 1 peso to 57 pesos na yata. Samantalang last month, $1 is 50 pesos. Teka lang, i-delay muna natin yung orders ko ha. So what's happening with 35% of the market in the States, with the strength of the dollar, some of them would say, teka lang, kailangan kong i-decrease ang aking expectations on growth. So itong pagkakataon na ito, pag ni-report ng isang kumpanya na pangit ang kanyang earnings, it can drive economic weakness. So umiikot siya. Umiikot siya. Diba? So if the companies will say, teka lang, I need to readjust my forecast because the strength of the dollar is becoming really high, highest in the past 20 years, teka lang. Actually, as a matter of fact, data-wise, no? From an average of 7% growth earnings, ang dami pong kumpanya ngayon, average of 4% growth na lang. No? So earnings of the company, around 35% with US dollar exposure is going to be affected. On this sense, I'm going to revise Microsoft as my short-term stock pick. It should be long-term. Okay? It should be long-term. What can potentially help right now the US economy? Tandaan mo, si Biden, nagpapapogi, no? He's actually going to meet the guy in the Middle East, si Mohammed bin Salman. Mohammed bin Salman. He's going to be meeting there. Apat yung kanyang goal, no? One is obviously engagement. Eh, syempre, sinong i-engage mo? Nag-aaway nga sa state, ay nag-aaway sa Europa. Sino pupuntahan mo doon? Awayin ka ng Russia. Pag may dinalaw kang bansa sa Europe, lagot ka kay Russia. Diba? Sinong pupuntahan mo sa Asia, dyan sa China? Sino pupuntahan mo ngayon? Sri Lanka, nagkakagulo. Diba? Sino pupunta ka? Punta ka sa Middle East. May kakakampi doon. Diba? So, let's see if that's going to impact anything, no, from a dollar perspective. Marami po sa mga industry experts as of today, majority of them, right now, karamihan po, even big banks, etc., Sinasabi nila that this week is gonna be the most speculative and the most highly volatile week. No? Why? Because CPI is gonna be out there. Meron tayong kumbaga parang report. Meron tayong report. Meron tayong tinatawag na retail earnings report at meron tayong tinatawag na dollar exchange index strength, no? So, pag halu-haluin mo lahat 'yan, malilito. Malilito si Fed. Kasama pa yung labor report, no? So, another thing, kapag tumaas ang presyo ng dollar index against peso, mag-ingat tayo. You need to remember, sobrang volatile ng US market. Bakit kamo? 30% of the US market today, prior today, 30% are institutional buyers that are outside the United States. These institutional non-US money is helping stabilize volatility. So kapag ang presyo ng pesos to dollars remain at 56, bakit ako bibili ng US stocks? Sige nga. The same thing for crypto. Ulitin ko ha. Listen carefully. In the stock market, if the strength of the dollar continues to rise, if I am a non-US retailer, bakit ako bibili ng US dollar tether? Bakit ako bibili ng dolyar? Bakit ako bibili ng stock in the US market? Nagigets nyo ako? Can you please type number 1 if you're understanding my point? Now you're asking me, Coach, bakit ang pangit ng volatility? Kasi wala halos bumibili ng malaki, naubos yung mga non-US or kumonti. Bakit kamo? Take a look at the dollar index. Bibili ka ng USDT ngayon, 56 pesos. Diba? So kung ikaw ay isang trader at ikaw ay isang stock market trader, hindi ka muna bibili. Hindi ka muna bibili. Ulitin ko, may nagpapaulit. Kung mataas ang presyo ng dolyar, anong mangyayari kung ikaw ay isang Pilipino, Chinese, Singaporean, and whatever currency na pag binangga mo sa dolyar, mas mahina? Ibig sabihin, hindi tulad last month, gagastos ka ng additional 6 pesos para makabili ka lang ng US dollar tether. Am I correct, guys? Am I correct? So, anong ini-expect natin? We should not expect Bitcoin and other stocks to become bullish because an average of 30% institutions and retailers that are non-US based, hindi bibili yan. Or mahihirapan sila. So, hindi tayo dapat nagdidiwang na mataas ang exchange rate. OFW ang masaya. Diba? OFW ang masaya. So, tatandaan ninyo, kapag mataas ang exchange, ganito, in another way to look at it, kapag sumasabay tumataas ang Bitcoin kay dollar, it becomes stored value asset. Kapag humihiwalay, pag tumataas si dollar, bumababa si Bitcoin, you call it now as a risk-on asset. Ulitin ko kapag tumataas si dollar, lumiliit si Bitcoin, okay? You call it Bitcoin as a risk-on asset. Kapag pareho silang tumataas, Bitcoin becomes a stored value asset. Ibig sabihin, sumasabay siya kay currency. Nai-gets niyo ako? So, yung analysis na yan, dapat you should not be always happy. Kasi kayo mismo, alam nyo to, whenever you buy P2P in BingX, P2P in Binance, naiinis kayo bakit? Ang taas po ng presyo ng dolyar, 56 pesos. Diba? Pero tinan mo yung mga OFW lang, ganda naman ng dollar exchange rate. Di ba? So at the end of the day, US dollar is going to affect the US market because the non-US investors will look at the cryptocurrency and the stock market as a less attractive asset. I would rather park my money and wait for the dump. I will rather wait for my money and wait for the dump. Ika nga nila, mukhang dead cat bounce yung last week. Nagparamdam ang stock market pero bumulagsak ulit. Diba? Bumulagsak ulit. So, alam mo yun, ang trabaho ko dito, kumbaga tingnan ko yung big market, i-explain ko sa'yo, tatahiin natin yung istorya. Para pag natahi natin, alam natin ano yung epekto kay crypto. Especially for Bitcoin. At kung hanggang ngayon hindi ka convinced na may kinalaman sa economy ang stock ang cryptocurrency and vice versa, look at your history. Take a look at what have happened 30 days ago to be exact. No? June 10 I was in the States. 'Di ba? Sabi natin mag-abang June 10. Ano nangyari? Bumagsak, boom. 'Di ba? So, that's gonna be a very, very, very important factor. Now, kung ikaw ay magti-technical charting, Miranda, ang dami kong beses ni-remind ha. Sa tingin ko po ngayon, hindi ako nagkulang. Ito, talagang I will be very proud of myself. Hindi po ako nagkulang mag-remind sa inyo. No? Discord, Twitter, Facebook, Twitter Space, lahat na po ginawa natin. Even my mentors, I told them in all of your charting, make sure you remind Mirandas, na huwag kayong magbabaylong muna, especially on the past couple of 48 hours to 72 hours. Bakit ka mo? Manipulated nga yung price ulit-ulit. Di ba? Manipulated. Ang problema, makulit ka, naipit ka ngayon sa 22,000. So, anong gagawin mo ngayon? Ipiti ka sa ilong, di ba? Ay, nako, sinasabi ko sa iyo eh. Sinabi na natin yan. Diba? What did I say? Ayan, ulit na lang tayo. Manipulation is real. Number 2, scalping versus intraday versus position. Ibig sabihin, scalping is the priority versus intraday. Intraday is the priority versus position. Bakit nga ka baka mo? Pag nagposisyon ka ng baylong, ipit ka. Tama? Am I correct? Type number 1 kung sinong ipit dito. I'm not kidding. Araw-araw, oras-oras, nakaschedule yung reminder ko, hoy, huwag ka muna makulit. Even on the members. Sana marunong makinig. Ha? Sana marunong makinig. Ito, sinabi ko, magposisyon sa 19,600. Now, for the past couple of days, sabi ko, wait lang, I'm not yet ready to give you word to position because I think we're going to see another retest of 17,000, wag naman sana. And of course, be mindful of breakdowns. Do not long. Ito problema sa atin eh. I want to show you something. Ito, tamaan na yung mag-real talk ako ng konti Tamaan na yung makukulit. Again, seryoso ko dito. Tamaan na yung makukulit So, 938, medyo mix ang market. Let's say, Nasdaq green, Dow Jones green, SPX green. Tingnan natin kung maganda ang kurba ng market. Again, it can go up and down. Tingnan natin. Pero teka lang, tingnan muna natin ito. Mabilis na mabilis. Ito na. Ito yung problem sa atin eh. Let me be very, very honest with all of you. Okay, tatapatin ko kayo ngayon Okay, ito na. Tatapatin ko kayo. Let's all do this, Miranda. Ayan. Let's do a 4-hour. Okay? Tatapatin ko kayo. Ito na Ayan. Let's do this. Ayan. Meron kang breakdown. Okay, magkatapatan tayo. Meron kang breakdown dito on a 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. Diba? 4 hours. Okay, pababa yung coin, puro red. Diba? Ano gagawin mo? Coach, right hand na sa 1 hour. Coach, right hand na sa 15 minutes. Coach, right hand na sa 30 minutes. Time frames. And we force ourselves to think that we're done. Diba? Kay Miranda, 22,000 pa lang. Sinasabi na natin, oy, mag-antay ka na. Wait lang, huwag kang makulit. Short. Ang ginagawa natin, oy, coach, nag-right hand na sa 15 minutes. Ay, coach. Ay, talaga, coach, nakita ko na talaga left hand, na talaga right hand. Okay, naghang lang ako ng konti. Relax lang kayo. Relax. I-adjust nyo muna. Ang ganda na ng real talk ko. Walang pakisama tong internet natin eh. Ang ganda-ganda ng real talk ko. Nakakainis ka naman eh. Medyo seryoso na ako. Biglang maglalag yung connection. Ha? Eh, ganun tayo ka, Miranda eh. Siguro, ulitin ko lang kasi medyo mukhang nagsara yung tenga ng iba. Diba? Nagsara yung tenga ng iba. Ulitin ko ulit. Ang problema sa atin, alam mo nang in a big picture, nag-breakdown, aba, coach, hindi nag-right hand na talaga. Coach, talaga. Talaga. Eh, di ba nga sabi ko, pag right hand, it never activates until you see a trend resistance breakout. Di ba? Minsan kasi ang paghihintay natin, sa totoo lang, no, tayo minsan dadagan ko ng konting trading real talk. Kasi minsan tayo, yung level of patience natin, maikli on fine and looking and waiting for the right entry. Parang in real life. 'Di ba? Hindi tayo marunong magtiis, maghanap, at maghintay. 'Di ba? Hindi tayo marunong magtiis at magintay ng tama. Ang gusto ninyo, minamadali. Ang gusto lahat natin, hindi, coach, right hand na talaga, coach. And talagang pasok na ako, coach, talaga. Di ba? So, I hope it becomes a reminder to all of us. I hope it becomes a reminder. O ngayon, papasok na ba tayo? Eh, coach, may green na. Nag-bounce na, oh. Coach. Makasabi ko lang, di ba? Mag-antay tayo. Paano kung bubulagsakin pa baba? Lilusaw ka? Paano kung nag-17,000 yan? Di ba? Kaya alam nyo minsan, sa totoo lang, no? Minsan talaga, guys, no? Minsan, I wanted to limit my exposure. Sabi nga nila, admiration breeds, rarity breeds admiration, familiarity breeds contempt. Kaya minsan gusto ko nang gawing members na lang yung mga reminders ko eh. Totoo lang. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi minsan remind ako ng baka mukha na lang sa inyong hindi nyo nila like. Okay na yun. Normal na naman yung reminder ni coach. Minsan ganun ang gagawin ko, hindi na mag-remind. Doon na lang sa mga members. Kasi hindi naman ka nagkinig. Diba? Kinikinig. Anong oras daw yung CPI? 8:30 ng gabi. Alam mo, 8:30 pa lang ng gabi, magla-live na ako bukas. Talaga. 8:30 pa lang ng gabi, magla-live na ako. Magla-live na ako bukas na 8:30. Hindi, sabay-sabay tayo manood ng ano. Kasi I'm really expecting this. To be honest with you, 8:30 ng gabi. Maga ako magla-live next tomorrow. Kailangan ko mag-live ng maaga. No? And And another potential thing na pwedeng mangyari is, again, no? Ang pwedeng mangyari next week, Miranda, is this. Ulitin ko lang, ha? Ito. Pwede kasing mangyari to eh. This one, no? Diba? This one can happen eh. This one can happen. This one. Or, okay, or, it can go up. Bakit? Paano kung CPI lumabas 8.4? Palakpakan tayo lahat. Diba? Paano kung 8.4? Palakpakan, pasok na tayo lahat. Go, 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 no! Diba? Minsan talaga, alam mo, nare-realize ko din yan eh. Ano kaya ako mag-remind? Wag na. Yakan ko na kayo. Paano kayo sa buhay nyo? Joke lang. Mahal ko kayo, alam niyo yan. Okay. So, aside from this, alam mo, ito nga, another reminder, no? Another reminder na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ito again, bakit pa ako nagsushort? Bakit ako lang, alam mo, nami kong short eh. Siyempre, yung mga bibili ako ng mga lakos na short. Joke lang. Ito, tingnan mo to kay Miranda. Take a look at this, no? I'm showing this to you not to brag. Not to brag. I'm showing this to you. Again, ulitin ko ha. I'm showing this to you because you can be profitable even on a bear market. You can be profitable. Who says you cannot be profitable in a bear market? Tanongin nyo lahat nag-profit today. Sige nga, mag-type ka ng number 1 if you're profitable. Tanongin nyo lahat na nag-profit. Ay, bakit mo alam na mag-short, coach? Ay, makinig ka kasi sa akin. Bakit puro short yung trade mo? Ay, may bolang crystal si coach. Diba? May bolang crystal to. Iniis ako nito. Kainis. Bakit yung iba profitable? Bakit ako hindi nga? Guys, siguro naman pudpud na yung kamay ko kaka-remind. Diba? Bakit yung ibang tao kayang magsunod-sunod na wins? Diba? My question is, there's always a system that can teach you. O, ang dami nag-profit to puro number 1. Oh. Diba? Even members, umamin kayo. Last week pa sinasabihan ko na kayo. Scalp lang the market. Diba? So, I'm showing this to you kasi, araw-araw yan, guys. Araw-araw. Ito ang buong linggo. O, nag-basketball pa ako nung Sabado. May sapatos dyan. Diba? Araw-araw eh. Kasi nga, alam mo yun, pag alam mo yung takbo ng big market, it's going to be really hindi easy eh. It's gonna be simple. Hindi easy. Walang easy sa trading. It's gonna be even simpler for you eh. Hindi magiging overcomplicated. So, if you know the big picture, ulit natin, if you know the big picture is actually on a downward trend. Aba, uy. And if it's already nearing a support, like this, if it's nearing a support, it's already in the support. Diba? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? So, Miranda, wake up call. Huwag mo nang ipaubos yung pera mo. You don't need to. Your money, huwag mo na ipatalo. So again, yun ang konting trading real talk natin. Nag-i-enjoy ako sa microphone ko eh. Parang ang ganda ng boses ko, di ba? Konting tawa naman dyan, guys. Uy, tumawa kayo. Tawa-tawa lang tayo, di ba? Kasi pag di kayo tumawa, ito yung gagawin natin. Ano ba dito yung magandang... meron na sound effects dito. Wait lang. Ayun, pipitikin ko ilong ninyo. Meron na pala tayong ganun. Meron na ako sound effects. Anyways, let's now go on with our topic again. Quick review, no? Tomorrow is gonna be a very, very important day. CPI week for tomorrow. 8:30 ng gabi, abangan po. I'm gonna be live as early as siguro mga 8:20 live na ako. Sabay-sabay natin kunin, no, yung report at sabay-sabay natin abangan. Sabay-sabay tayong magti-trade or sabay-sabay tayong papaltak ba yun? Talpak. No, I'm not saying talpak, no, pero pag makulit, pipitikin, di ba? Ayan, pitik ka tuloy. Huwag ka makulit kasi. Enjoy nyo naman yung ating bagong, di ba? Enjoy bago nating music or kumbaga, hey everyone, this is Coach Miranda Minor and I am your DJ for tonight here in 105.5 FM. Tapos mga kamiranda, yung tugtog sa bus, di ba? Uy, umamin kayo ba? Pag madaling araw, yung mga alas 12 ng gabi sa bus, yung mga tugtog dyan, mga kung ano-ano, mga AGs, yung mga tataas ng kanta, yung mga rock, di ba? Ganon yung mga tugtos, mga antok-antok ka na lang, ganon, no? Di ba? So, maluwag yung edge, no? Ganon yung mga unang panahon niya. Anyways, uy guys, another thing pala, no, na kailangan nating gawin. Uy, sumali na kayo sa ating raffle, ha? We already have 16,597 entries, no? Magsali na kayo sa raffle. Ang daming ways to earn entries, no? Ipasa nyo sa lahat ng kaibigan, mga kasambahay, lahat ng case sa buhay mo. I-submit mo na yan. I-submit mo na lahat yan. Bigay mo yan mga link na yan sa buong kabarangay ninyo at baka sila pa manalo ng 40,000 pesos in cash. Hello. Ano ba yun? Parang mali na pindot ko. Wait lang. Paano ba yung magandang tugtog dito? Ayun. 40,000 pesos in cash. Uy, guys. In cash ba yun? Basta 40,000 pesos worth of prizes. Natandaan ko na ngayon kasi baka mapindot ko dito eh. Anong face reveal? Ano sasabi mo face reveal dyan? Marami natutuwa sa live natin today. Uy, salamat sa nag-ayos ng aking, ang tawag dito, V8 Diba? Nako, sinasabi ko sa inyo, makukulit dyan talaga ha. Sabi ni Poco X3, sumuko na kayo. Ito pala yung sumuko na kayo. Magtago na kayo lahat. Uy, baka umuhul ka dyan. Wag ganun guys. Wag ganun. Ano tayo eh, we're very minor friendly, diba? Oo, diba? Dati face reveal, ngayon ano na. Anyways, natuwa ako sa live natin. Medyo masaya tayo ngayon. Okay. So, what's gonna be happening? Yung chart natin, this is gonna be looking like today, no? Of course, from a charting perspective, how does the big chart look like today? No? How does the big chart look like today? We're gonna be waiting for this particular support. No? Another problema. Okay? Another problema ng isang trader. Sabihin ko sa inyo. Ito, bato-bato sa langit. Ang tamaan po. Ang tamaan, huwag magagalit. Ito, I'm telling you, ito yung problema ng iba eh. So, ito yung chart ni Coach. Tingnan mo yung chart ko. This is my chart today. Ganito yung chart ng iba sa inyo. I'll be very honest, no? Ganito. Tanggalin ko to. Yan. Diba? Ganyan ang chart ng iba sa inyo. Diba? Ganyan ang chart. Yung iba sa cellphone pa nga eh. Yan, ganyan ang chart ng iba sa inyo. Diba guys? Seryoso. Type number 1 kung ganyan minsan or dati ganyan kayo. Diba? What does this mean? Diba? Guys, what does this mean pag ganito ka mag-chart? You're missing the big part. Diba? You are missing the big part. Hindi mo nakikita yung malas malaki. Diba? You don't see the big picture. Ang alam mo, pababa pa kaya to? Takot na akong mag-short, coach. Coach, talaga, takot na ako ngayon. Talagang ayoko na talaga. Ganun kayo eh. Ha? Ganyan kayo. Anong gagawin ko dito, coach? Ano bang gagawin? Takot na ako talagang mag-short. Maglulong na ba ako? Diba? Kasi we are seeing one part of the map. As a matter of fact, hindi kami ganyan mag-usap ng mga mentors. Mentors na nasa chatroom ngayon. Paano tayo mag-usap? Anong unang-unang tanong ko sa inyo nung nag-tune-ups tayo? Mentors, sabihin nyo dyan, anong unang-unang tanong ko sa inyo? I ask you guys to tell me what pattern are you seeing today? Diba? What pattern are you seeing? Wala pa lahat ng mga drawings. Yan. I'll remove all the drawings. Diba? Ayan. What pattern do you see today? Diba? Yan ang first question eh. Is it a descending triangle or is this a double bottom? Nung wala pa tong retracement na to? Ito pa lang? Is it gonna be a double bottom or is it gonna be a descending triangle or a bear flag or what have you? Diba? At the intermediate class, diba? Inaaral natin yan, anatomy of the market. Every time there is a breakdown or a breakout, there is a consolidation or there is a breakdown, there is a massive pullback, the market will need to put a support identification. Ano yung kasunod? Saan siya tutungtong? Diba? Wala pang ginagawang support, wala pang support identification, pasok ka na ng pasok eh. That's the problem ka, Miranda. At the bigger picture, no? Kami mga mentors, pag nag-uusap-usap kami, what do you think of this market? We look at the charts, we look at the big picture. Ang iba sa atin, ganito mag-chart, oh. Ganito, hindi bibiro. Ganito. May nagpakita sa akin ng chart. Coach, anong tingin mo sa market? Di ko na replyan nyo kasi baka magalit eh. No? Sabi nyo sa akin. Ito ganito lang chart niya. Coach, anong tingin mo sa market, coach? Anong tingin ko dyan? Seriously, guys. The problem to many of us, we don't see it the big picture. Tapos isipin, ano ba itong market na to? Puro pataas, bababa, pataas, bababa. But the bigger picture says otherwise. Diba? Wake up, guys. Wake up. Let's all wake up. Huwag tayo magpatalo. Tingnan mo tingnan mo ang mangyayari ha. Look at this. Diba ganyan ang itsura niya? O yan, diba? Uy, taas na yan, coach. Pataas na ng pataas yan, promise. Talaga, pataas na ng pataas yan. Take a look at this. Diba? Take a look at that. What's the difference? What's the difference? Diba? It's still a falling knife. So, I would like to give this message to all of you, Miranda. No? That if we'd like to become really profitable, bakit si coach? Nakakainis talaga. Bakit yung iba puro shorting? Ha? Naming profit sa shorting, puro sunod-sunod panalo. Ba't ako hindi? Take a look at that, guys. Paano may babaylong yan? Ano mo si Ada? Diba? Members, anong sabi ko kagabi sa inyo? Ano sabi ko kagabi? Ano sabi ko kagabi sa inyo? It can potentially retest. Pag massive yung selling, marami nag-aantay na yan sa baba. Wala nang bibili niyan. Mag-aantay na lang. Eh, ikaw yung bumibili, ikaw na iipit eh. So, you know, I promise to all of you, nangangako po ako sa inyo, hindi ako mapapagod mag-remind. Pero sana nakikinig. Sana nakikinig tayo. Tulad po nito, Miranda, tomorrow, we're going to be expecting for another, bagsak na naman si Twitter, nag-recover si Twitter. We're gonna be expecting for a volatility play tomorrow. So kung ako po sa inyo, magbabantay po hanggang bukas. I'm going to wait up until tomorrow. Tingnan po natin ng mabilis. I'm going to open Coin Analyze again. Let's see. Kung marami talaga makulit, hindi kayo nag-iisa. Let's go to Bitcoin today. Oy, thank you for the 840 watchers today. Thank you guys. I hope that you like our audio, no? Medyo maganda yung audio natin, no? Okay, yan. Let's open the liquidations. Oh, sakit. Take a look at that. Let's now go with you know. Ayan, no? Ayan, no? Almost, oh. July 11, kahapon. July 11 ng gabi. Diba guys? July 11 ng gabi, ang daming na-liquidate nang bumaba si Bitcoin from 20,517 to 19,935. Ibig sabihin, maraming nasa 20,000 long liquidations. Diba? Marami. Bumili siguro yan dito sa 22. Hoy, sige, let's all do this. Let's all have fun in the 22,500. Hindi nakinig. Boom, 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 boom. Ayan, na-liquidate. Diba? So, yun ang aking reminders. No? Let's end it on that discussion. No? Sana po nakinig. At alam nyo guys, for free naman po yung ating Discord. You can also join in Discord. I'm actually active in Discord. Marami na po tayong bagong segments, no? I-promote ko lang din, marami na po tayong bagong segments as of today, no? Actually, if you go to Facebook, meron na po tayo. At Twitter, we have Twitter Spaces already for free. Okay? We have Facebook Space or Facebook Rooms for free. Technical charting in Facebook. In Discord, meron tayong Almo Chart with Kuya Oliver for free. In Facebook, we have Charting with Kuya Justin for free. Ang dami na nating venue for free. We're doing everything na kailangan ng isang taong wala pang puhunan na kahit papano matuto. And itutuloy po namin yung mga ganyang libre. Itutuloy po namin yung mga ganyan libre para po matuto po kayo. No? So, Kuya Oliver and Kuya Justin are all helping us. They're actually doing a lot. No? And we're doing a lot, Miranda, to help you. Even Twitter Spaces. No, I think si Justin meron siya. Let me just try to open his ano. Ano ba yung ano mo? I think itlog. Ano ba pangalan mo, Justin? Itlog ka din ba dito? Nimutan ko na kung Justin ang pangalan nito eh. We do have different types na actually na-retweet ko kaya tayong ano nyo yung inyong space. Ayan no? We have technical charting. For free to guys, Facebook group. For free yan. Ayan no? Kanina 7 p.m. Puntahan niyo yan. Libre yan. We're going to do a lot of different things para matuto ka lang. Okay? Ito, natutuwa ako sa mga nasa Twitter. Yan, sabi niyo. Yes, coach. Sabi ko kanina sa umaga. Uy, coach, 3,000 in the morning. Tuloy-tuloy na to, coach, para makauwi na po ng Pilipinas OFW from Taiwan, di ba? Di ba? Ang sarap ng tinan mo. John G. Morning, coach. Profit na po ako. Kota na ako, coach, before pumasok. Ayan, si It's Me Bob. Estudyante natin yan. No? Dami rin profit niyan. Congratulations. Ito sabi niya si King A31. Yesterday, profit using GMM system so far since nag-beginner 100% win rate. Grabe naman. Di ba? Hindi lang ako pwede yung profit. Dapat kayo din. Dapat kayo din. No, and again, I'm very, 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 very proud na lahat ng mga kumita na. Ito, mayroon tayong trader stock in Twitter Space. Yan. July 11 kahapon. Diba? Ang namin ginagawa. Para po sa inyo yan. Para po yan lahat sa inyo. Para kayo po ay matuto ng matuto ng matuto. Okay? Please join us in all mapa Facebook, mapa Discord, mapa Twitter, lahat na po. Tutulungan namin kayo. Kung tinatamad kayo mag-Discord, Twitter. May space kami dyan. Tatamad kang mag-Twitter, edi mag-Facebook. May space kami dyan. Ayaw nyo man mag-Discord, edi may space din kami dyan. We're gonna be giving you everything. Mapurga ka. Matuto ka lang. Diba? Siyempre, may pa-basketball pa, di ba? Yun, no? May pa-basketball pa kami, hindi pa rin puro trade. Di ba? Kailangan medyo balance ka din, di ba? Uy, congrats dun sa nanalo ng more than 8,000 or 10,000 worth ng sapatos. Congratulations, ha? So yun guys, no, yun ang aking reminder sa inyo. You know, this particular day. Hindi kami magsasawang magturo. Ang kailangan mo na lang bigay ka ng time. Diba? Ngayon, if you would like to really learn everything in isang upuan, sarili mong time, you take our course. Mag-combo course, extended na yung combo course natin. Mag-take ka ng course. Diba? At least may sarili kang time. Hindi ka nag-a-adjust. Medyo busy ka. You take the course. Naka-combo, discounted na nga eh. Extended. Kasi may nag-request, Coach, pahabol naman kami kasi sahod namin after July 10 pa. O ito na. Ito na po. Anyways guys, thank you. Para po sa lahat na nakinig today. Medyo punong-puno ang ating live for today. No? Sana po natutunan ninyo ng ating show. Hindi po tayo para lang sa iba. Lahat po para tayo. Twitter, Discord, Facebook. And I would like to thank all of our mentors and moderators na tumutulong po sa atin to become, kumbaga, we're not always available. Siyempre, nag-iisa lang naman ako. So, tumutulong sa atin yung ating magagaling na mga mentors. Uy, palakpakan naman natin ng mga mentors and moderators natin. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Okay? Alright. Okay. Let's now try to answer. I will not do charting kasi tapos nang mag-chart yung mga mentors kanina. Ang reminder ko lang, because mostly are correlated in Bitcoin, mag-antay tayo. Wala namang mawawala kung mag-aantay ka ng one day. Promise, wala. Walang mawawala. Kung you need to rest, pahinga ka muna. No? Sometimes the answer is not to participate in the market. Ako, araw-araw nagsiscalp. Diba? Scalp ako eh. But if you're an intraday trader and you are a position trader, wait lang po. Wait lang po tayo. Okay? Wait po tayo until tomorrow. You wanna scalp? Go ahead. You wanna do intraday? Ingat. Position? Wag muna. Wag muna. No one knows where this market will go. To be honest with you, no one. Siguro nakakatatlong oras na akong panonood ng different experts. No one. You could only look into the potential drivers. No? And I will never know where this will market go unless I see some potential drivers of it. Yan po ang ating napaka-komprehensibong pag-aaral today. No? In terms of dollar parity with euro, ano bang epekto sa cryptocurrency, at kung saan-saan pa. Uy, Arvin Polo TV family, shout out coach. Hello po sa pamilya natin dyan. Thank you. Okay ba ang aking audio, ha? Thank you again to all of the moderators. Si Kuya Luke nandito, si Kuya Kungkage, si Kuya Dan yan. Alright. Need your advice, OFW worker, will dollar continue to rise or better magpalit ng small portion? Better magpalit ng small portion ka na. Yeah, magpalit ka ng small portion and then leave some of them na tumaas pa. Honestly, I think baka mag-60 pa eh. No? It depends kasi on what's gonna be happening on the next couple of days. No? Kasi itataas pa din ng Fed ang interest rates. Tataas pa din yan. Ang problema dito yung Pilipino kasi kagandahan ng Pilipinas, malakas po ang ating OFW sector. So ang ating dollar remittances and BPO sector who are being paid on dollars are very, very strong source of dollars. No? So hindi tayo tulad ng ibang countries na we don't export human capital. No? That's one of the biggest drivers of dollar reserves in the Philippines. No? Tips for life, coach, until when ang promo ng combo until maging estudyante ka? Wait, seriously, I will let you know, no? Alam ko naka-extend po yan ngayon. Kung Cage, nabungyag kung sino ako. Hoy, kung Cage, kung sino ka man, ikaw po si Kuya Dan. Ha? Arnold Jansen. Uy, welcome sa mga kulay green yung pangalan, ha? Alright. Pa-shout out po, batch 18. Miss ko na kayo, guys. Shout out to Winey Lausi. Uy, musta ka na? Long time. Uy, inabutan ba? Meron na tayong sound effects. Tingnan mo to. Laugh Trip TV, how much is the price of the combo? Kuya Reniel, pakisend naman po yung link ng ating combo packages. Yan. Shout out 29 Raven. Yan. Crypto student, coach, kailangan pa bang naka-PC kapag naka-enroll? Sana. So you can see the bigger charts, no? Hi coach, what do you think is a good way to invest right now? I am a student and I save around $600 US. Learn. Invest on learning. Yun ang the best way to invest right now. I think it's always investing on learning. Dumaming shoutout. Andrew, Thor, Kirby, Kenneth, yan, Jack, Bernardo, Chris, yan. Coach, nakaabang na po ako ng 10K. Wow. Okay, I'll be very honest with you. Meron akong malaking pera, nakaabang ako sa 12K. Abang ako. Meron ako nakaabang na pera ngayon. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, malaki yung... Sinabi ko na naman, di naman to sekreto eh. Sinabi ko na to sa inyo. Yan oh, di ba? Yan ang ating, strategy. Tinuro ko na yan sa inyo. I am cash heavy today. Nagkakatayo ako mag- Napapansin naman ninyo, di ba? Napapansin po ninyo, magkano ba pinantitrade ko ngayon? 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. Di ba? I'm trading small amounts because I'm waiting for some massive moves. I'm waiting for some massive moves. Yan. So, ganyan ating strategy. Yan. John Mark Peñamora, shout out. Damon Frost, si Rodney, lo. Hello. Ano pa ba? Anyone else? Chris Principe, anong konti? Anong hingiin mo? Shout out po, Emon, Lags, and Den. Ano yun? Shout out po, Emon, Lags, and Den. Ano yung sabihin mo? Chart pattern, yan. Sasalo din ako sa 12K, coach. Aba, dami nang nag-aantay. Uy, hindi ibig sabihin magsha-short ka ngayon, ha? Narinig mo lang nag-aabang ako sa 12, magsha-short ka na. Naku, sinasabi ko sa'yo, ha? Kasi minsan alam mo tayo, napakalawak ng imagination natin, eh. Sige, shout out sa lahat. Kem Ryan Dorde. Ikaw ba ay babae, Kem Ryan? Ha? Ay, meron akong kiss dito. Wait lang. Meron akong kiss dito. Wait. Paano ba yun? Wait. Paano ba yung kiss? Ay, hindi. Ito. Paano ba yung kiss dito? Yan. Ay, hindi. Nawala yung kiss eh. Nawala. Alright. What else? Nasaan tayo dito? Coach, may raffle. Ay, wow, nagkakaan tayo ng raffle, no? Papasalo kay Crush. Yun. Coach, shout out sa pinsan ko na nanonood dyan, Mark, at trading buddy ko, X-Pubs. Wow. X-Pubs. Chart pattern, shout out. Dami na wala sa akin, Coach. Umutang ako para P2E lesson learn. Now, bumagsak market, di ko na knows. Hopefully, makarecover ako, Coach. Lagi ako nagwa-watch sa'yo. Dami ko nang natutunan. Hihihi. Mwah. Ba, ayos yun ah. Mihihihihi mwah. Yan. Dami, no? Uy! Teka lang. May namigay na naman ng membership. Abo! Mark Lester Spina. Grabe naman kayo. Aba! Ayos kayo. Paano ba? Hindi ko alam. Paano ba yan ginagawa? Para mamigay din ako, di ba? Mamigay tayo ngayon, di ba? Hindi ko alam. Shout out kay Mentor Carla, Wanderlust. Ano, parang night show na tayo, di ba? Hello. You're listening to your nightly cryptocurrency discussion care of Coach Miranda Minor here in our 105.5 FM. Ay, tumatawa lang kayo, ha? Diba? Baka naman, ano mo sasabihin nyo? Coach, pa-shout out po. Paano ba mamigay? Hindi ko nga alam, Dan. Paano ba namimigay ng membership? Hindi ko alam yun, ha? Uy, turuan nyo. Hindi ko imagine, nag-YouTube din. Alam yung mga ganyan-ganyan, di ba? Ronald, shout out sa misis ko na watching while working. Okay, Ronald, in-explain mo na ba sa misis mo kung sino si Emma at saka si Alma? Ha? Naaalala ko ng mga unang ako'y nagla-live, meron pong asawang lalaki na hinampas po ng tabo ng kanyang asawang babae. Kasi po wala na pong ibang bukang bibig yung asawa niyang lalaki na puro Emma and Alma na po. Kaya paalala po sa inyo kung kayo po ay isang estudyante ng Miranda Minor, isabihin niyo po sa inyo mga asawa ng babae na meron pong ama, Alma and Emma na halmachi, di ba? Ay naku, sinasabi ko sa inyo, baka mag-course pa ng ano yan. Naku, wag naman po sana. Yung tabo na yan, 1 year ago na yan. Diba? Naku, 1 year. Ay, pipindutin yung dollar sign sa baba. Wait lang. Dollar sign. Tapos, wala akong option yan. Super chat lang tsaka super sticker eh. Ha? Wala akong option ng ganyan-ganyan eh. Ha? Uwo crypto. Ayan. Sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, naku talaga, hindi ako nagbibiro. Last year, mahinang pas talaga ng tabo habang nagla-live. Paano? Lagi niya sinasabi, Emma, Alma, Emma. Sino ba tong Emma, Alma na to? Oo, ay yung nagpiprito naman. Ano, ito yung prito, di ba? Ayan, di ba? Mo, huwag kang mag-alala. Talaga. Araw-arawin ko na ito merong sound effects. Di ba? Ganda eh. Na-excite kayo, di ba? Nag-i-enjoy kayo. Umamin kayo. Di ba? Mas maganda po ba ang live kung merong sound effects? Type number 1. Para gawin ko na lagi. Di ba? O, tama na. Tapos na yung prito. Pinuuto nyo na ako eh. Di ba? Coach, do you think USDT can reach 60 pesos? Yes. 60 pesos. Pwede. 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 Dami type ng 1, no? Gusto talaga nila. Yan. Walang umaalis. Gusto lang makinig sa atin. Oo, hindi prito yun. Uy, palakpak yun, Edwin, ha? Ako, palakpak yun. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Coach, nakaabang na rin ako kay 600 Ethereum. Wow. Diba? Uy, alam nyo ba yung mga... ito ha. Bubukuhin ko lang yung mga members. Yung utol ko, namigay dyan nung isang araw. Diba? Membership. Meron tayong mentoring libre. 2 nanalo ng GCash worth 1,000. 2 nanalo ng GCash worth 300 pesos each. Tapos kahapon, minanalo na naman ng GCash worth 200. Aba? Para ito ng mga members na to, no? Siyempre, sabi nila, Coach, sa hindi members, bigay ka ng pera. Di ba? Sa mga members, bigay ka naman. Ibinigyan natin, di ba? Kasi may araw tayong live, di ba? Nabigay tayo ng 500 pesos each. O, di ba? Coach, bakit ang sobrang taas ng... ano? Coach, bakit sobrang taas ng... Hindi ko maintindihan. Coach, after mag-graduate sa elite university, ipapa-enroll ko asawa ko, parang midnight talk namin about crypto. Ang pag nag-share kasi ako, nakatulala lang siya. Nako, tayo tayo dyan. Baka magkaroon tayong Dear Coach. Dear Coach, ako po ay nagsasalita ng mag-isa. Yung aking pong misis ay nakatulala lang po. Hindi po niya nauunawaan ano po ang left hand, ano po ang right hand. Ano po ba ang TLSBD and TRBO? Siguro sabi ng asawa ko. Pero alam mo, well, hindi masamang desisyon yan. No? Kasi meron tayong mga ganyang estudyante. Alam mo kung anong ginawa? Sabi ng asawa niya, Hoy, halika nga dito. Halika nga dito. Anong pinagsasabi mo naghahanap ka ng trading body dyan sa Discord? Bakit hindi mo ako gawing trading body? Ha? Anong hinahanap mo dyan trading body? Naghahanap pa ng chicks? Ganon sinabi sa kanya ng asawa niya. Ano ba sabi mo trading body? Naghahanap pa ng chicks dyan eh. Turuan mo ko ako yung trading body mo. Alam mo, makes sense, di ba? Mag-asawa kayo. Mag-usap kayo na ano ba yung left hand, ano ba yung right hand, ano ba yung TLSBD, ano ba yung TRBO. Ano ba sabi ni Coach na anatomy? Ano ba yung sabi niyang consolidation? Ano ba yung support? Ano ba yung... Mag-usap kayong dalawa. Negosyo nyo yan, 1 hour a day. Oh. Di ba? Yung magbibiro. 1 hour a day business and trading. Huwag niyong abuting 24 hours na kanganga kayo dyan. Di ba? Gawin ninyong 1 hour business po ang trading. 1 hour kota ka na, enough na. Kung kanina, ang aga-aga nag-trade tayo, tapos na. Di ba? Mga nasa Discord, ang aga tayong gumising, alas 6, alas 5, alas 7. Tapos ng kota na, tapos na po. So, parehas kayong mag-asawa kayo. Full-time worker o 1 hour a day. Oh, sige. Uy, instead na manood tayo ng Netflix, mag-aral tayong dalawa. Halika dito. Sige, let's open the charts. O, anong tingin mo dyan kay Bitcoin? Anong tingin mo kay Ethereum? Di ba? Anong tingin mo dyan kay kay Mana? Anong palagay mo dyan? Di ba? At least yung asawa mong kuda ng kuda, eh di pag-aralin mo ng chart, di nananahimik yan. Diba? Ang ingay-ingay pagka-chartin mo. Ang ingay-ingay naman ito. Aral ka ngayon charting. Diba? Ang ingay-ingay eh. Alam mo, pinapatawa ko lang kasi syempre ako na-amaze din ako. Ganda ng sound effects ko. Diba? Pindot lang ako ng pindot sa kaliwa. Diba? Sabi na, oo. Totoo naman yan, Malay Family. Matagal doon nakikinig sa atin si Malay Family Channel. Minsan totoo yan eh. Alam mo, at yun, para ma-win mo siya, you need to show profits. Para ma-win mo siya. Diba? Kasi hindi, totoo yan, no? Actually, pwede mo siyang kausapin. Alam mo, para maging mas accountable ako, tulungan mo ko. Tulungan tayo. Diba? Tulungan tayo. Kasi pera natin to eh. Tingnan natin kung para sa atin. Diba? Let's see. Diba? Kasi at the end of the day, magsumpakan kayo, magkasama kayo sa lahat. Hanggang liquidation, magkasama kayo. Diba? And who knows, diba? Yung blind spots mo, sir, yung blind spot mo, ma'am, makikita ng asawa mo. Diba? Kaya you complement each other. You complement each other. Diba? O yung mga misis dyan ha, mahal na mahal ko kayo, kaya wag po kayo magalit sa akin, ha? Diba? Anyways, uy guys, yun, yung, Coach, may sexy time po ba mamaya sa ending ng live? Ganda po kasi ng boses ng audio mo. Halo ko. Lalaki ba to? Ano bang gusto niyong sexy time? Uy, matulog na kayo. Sabi ni Carrion Paul, na all my misis, diba? Oh, diba? Sabay tayo uy, anong Ay, kayo talaga. Naipasok mo yun, ha? Gaming is life. Na all. Ha? Na all naked charting mo na, ha? Ano? Ha? Ano? Ha? Anong klaseng tawa yun? Ha? Naipasok mo yun, gaming is life, no? Naked charting kayo ng misis mo, ha? Ano? Nangaano ka eh, ha? Ha? Nangaano ka eh. Hello, Coach. Good evening to all watching here in Nagoya, Japan. Yan. Nana Kawaguchi. Yan. Maladante Gulapa daw, Coach. Abo? Ang kasi yan. Diba? Eh, talaga mga listeners na ipasok nyo pa talaga yun. Anyways, guys. Uy, Bansky, ano yan? Ano sasabihin yung mga ungol dyan? Kayo talaga? Ayan, bagay sa inyo yan. Anyways, guys. No, a little bit of final reminder to all of us. No, again, from a Bitcoin perspective, sabi nga po natin, Bitcoin is going to be on its critical support. No, critical support. Mag-antay po tayo, wag po tayong nagmamadali. No, from a trading perspective, tulad po niya nagkaroon ng doji candle, which means indecisiveness. No, this is actually something na ina-expect po natin, and of course, gagawa po tayo dito ng ating trend line support. No. We need to be doing a little bit of a trend line support, okay, para po alam po natin kung ano po ba yung dapat nating pasukan, because a right hand never activates until there is a sorry, alang ha? Okay. Okay, biglang naghang ang aking mouse, nag-lock. Okay. So, at a right hand never activates until there is a TLSBD, no? So, at the end of the day, for me, do not go buy long until there's a breakout of a resistance, no? Do not buy long until there's a breakout of resistance, Miranda, no? And of course, sa ilalim, it's gonna be a very, very critical day for all of us kasi po tayo po, mag-aantay po tayo ng confirmation, either a breakdown or a break out. And of course, yung ating economic drivers po for the past couple of days, make sure po CPI week. CPI means Consumer Price Index. Ito po ay chart kung nagpapakita po ito ng tumaas po ba ang presyo ng bilihin o hindi in the United States, no? And of course, abangan po ninyo, Miranda, lahat po ng nanonood ng ating stock market picks ni Coach Andoy, no? Assistant Vice President of Metrobank, First Metro Securities, a stock brokerage in the Philippines, no? Abangan po ninyo ang part number 2. We're gonna be talking about the international market, no? We're gonna be talking about the international market, including the United States. And pag-uusapan po natin in details ang ating First Metro Securities platform. Napakaganda po niyan. Yan po ay paghahanda na natin sa mga ating ituturo on how to scan and how to choose the right coins to invest on a short-term and in a long-term perspective. Abangan po ninyo yan. Ano po ba ang aking nakakalimutan? Okay. Okay. Let me just make sure I review my notes. Just give me a second. Okay, we discussed dollar surge, dollar parity, euro negative, dollar positive, exposure of companies in the USD, impact to Bitcoin, CPI, crude oil, inflation, retail earning, payroll report, treasury. We also spoke about manipulation, scalping, position, be mindful of breakdowns in the strongest dollar in 20 years. Yan, strongest dollar in 20 years. Yan. Abangan po ninyo. Okay, so, alright. Si Emma Papat. Uy, daily gap, ikaw talaga. Huwag ganyan. Okay, anyways guys, maraming salamat sa inyo, ha. Alam ko nag-enjoy po tayong lahat. I'm very happy na lahat po tayo ay nagkaroon ng pagkakataong mag-enjoy. Guys, meron tayong raffle for tomorrow, no? Ang i-comment po ninyo dito is #V8 is back. Yan, V8 Capital V number 8 is back. Yan, kasi meron na tayong sound effects, di ba? Hashtag V8 is back, no? And of course, hashtag Miranda Minor Profitable System. Join na kayo dyan. Meron tayong raffle for tomorrow. Huwag niyong i-comment yan sa ngayon. I-comment nyo yan pagkatapos po ng show natin. Okay? V8 is back. Uy, bitin daw, gaming is life. Anong bitin sa'yo, ha? Sinasabi ko sa inyo, ha? Uy, maraming salamat, guys. I promise, we're gonna be continuing this type of live. Masaya ako because gumagana na ang ating headset. Hello, everyone. My name is Coach Miranda Minor and welcome to another edition. Teka lang, guys. Diyan muna kayo, wait lang. Hello, mga kamiranda. Andito na naman tayo sa ating lulutuing adobo. Lalagay na tayo ngayon ng ating mga sangkap sa ating kawali. Lalagay na natin ang ating toyo at ang ating manok. Kakain na tayo. Ngayon na. Kaboses ko ba? Di ba? Di ba? Alala ninyo, kaboses ko yun. If you've not seen my face yet, sabi niyo si Panlasang Pinoy to ah. Di ba? Okay ba? Okay ba, guys? Tayo na. Ilagay na natin ang ating trendline support at ang ating trendline resistance. Pagkatapos nito, punta na tayo ngayon sa ating charting. Sabog na yung chatroom. Sabi ko sa inyo, na-miss nyo yan eh. Na-miss nyo, di ba? Ang dami nyo ka-miss. Sige, marami pa tayong kakayang gayahin. Si Sailor, gagayahin ko next time. Ganun mo salitain. Sabi ni Rebe, dati coach walang pang face reveal, tinatawag kong pang Ma'am Miranda. Di ba? Nagustuhan nyo ba, guys? Ulit-ulitin. Laugh trip. Thank you, sir. Worth it panonood ko sa live busog-lusog. Ay, salamat, chart pattern. Alala mo, coach, around 30,000 subs ka pa lang. Ganito yung mga sound effects mo. Oo nga, no? Oy, mag-subscribe ka na? Uy, parang awa mo na, mag-subscribe ka naman. Ay, fur. Diba? Bitcoin. Diba? Ganyan. Yan si Michael Saylor, Bitcoin. Ayan ka na naman eh. Hindi, nawawala yung... next time gagayahin ko si Babalu. Hindi ako bibiro sa inyo. Basta masaya lang tayo, ha? Masaya pag nananalo, eh, no? Pag nananalo. Coach, mag-break pa ba bawat possible target? Okay, sige, sagutin ko lang yung tanong nila. If it breaks down sa ilalim, ano ang potential target ni Bitcoin, no? Ang ating magiging important critical support is going to be this. 17,000. Itong previous support na ito, yung ating multi-week, no? Yung multi-week support po natin, no? Before niya mahagip yan, Miranda, isang mabilis na very good yung question niya. Gusto ko lang sagutin, no? Kukuha tayo ngayon dito ng previous support. 18,600 ang ating magiging previous support, no? Teka lang, nakamagnet pa ako. Nakalak ako ba yun? Nakalak pala ako ng wait lang. Okay, alright. So, yan. Okay. So, you have this as your potential support, no? 17, 18. So, itong area na to magiging support mo to. So, potentially, this can retest here. Pag ito nabasag, you can retest here. Okay? Alright. Alright. Yung intro, welcome to Panlasan Charting. Yan. Nakakatawa tong sound effects. Salamat, coach. Dagdag sigla po habang nakikinig. Oo, gagawin na natin yan, no? Kailangan siguro magaganyan na tayo para wala na yung boring kasi masyadong seryoso to si Miranda Minor. Kailangan ng medyo pang pakonting tawa. Parang teacher eh. Kaya kailangan mga konting mga tugtog. I'm just trying to make you guys laugh, no? Kumbaga, but on a very serious note, Miranda, ini-invite ko po kayo makinig gabi-gabi sa ating live every 9 o'clock po ng gabi. Bukas medyo maaga tayo. I'm gonna be here in our show para mas sabay-sabay po nating mabalatan, mahimay ang ating paparating na CPI at ano po ba ang presyo na ating kailangang hintayin. Guys, as you can see down in the bottom, this is not a financial advice. Lahat po na binibigay ko rito, there are potential impact and consequences and you are fully responsible to your capital and principal. Okay? So, again, maraming salamat po. Moderators, mentors, thanks for being here. Kuya Kung Cage, Brian, Ikigay, and Kuya Reniel, mga mentors, maraming salamat. God bless you. Sabi ni Palang Pagdanganan, no? Coach, inabutan na kami ng face reveal, hindi pa rin nakapag-enroll. Huy, mag-enroll ka na. Kung ayaw mo mag-enroll, bibigyan ka ng pera. Ipakalat mo ang ating show, mag-subscribe ka na at mag-join to get any. Alam mo, 8 ang mananalo dyan. 8 people can win 5,000 pesos each. Peperahin ko na maagang pamasko. Ha? Maagang pamasko kay Miranda Minor. 1 month po yan. Ibigay mo sa kaibigan mo, kapatid mo, kamag-anak mo, ex mo, nanay mo, tatay mo, lola mo, lolo mo, tito, tita, kaaway mo, lahat ibigay mo na yung link na yan para makapag-join sila. Malay mo naman, manalo po sila. Ano gagawin ba nila? Just click on the button to follow, subscribe, like our Miranda Minor YouTube channel and this Twitter. You know, we have lahat po. Join na ninyo to win an entry. Nako, ang hirap manalo. 1,000 nga, pinag-aawayan pa yung plastic na may agila eh. Dito hindi pag-aawayan niya. I'll give you 5 pieces of that. 5,000 pesos. Diba? 5,000 pesos. I'm gonna be giving that to you all for free just to join. Subscribe ka lang. Ayan. Uy, wow. May pagkakonyo naman. Kuya Justin, ikaw, wow. Hiya naman ako sa iyo eh, ha? Wow. Ha? Hiya ako sa iyo eh, ha? Anyways. Yeah, good vibes lang, guys. Good vibes. All right. Again, God bless all of you. Isang maraming salamat po. I hope you've learned something today. Napakarami pong reminders. Mga hindi po nakinig na reminders ko, siguro nasunog na po sila. Anyways, guys, marami tayo mga libreng mga show. No? We have our live Discord charting, Twitter Space, Facebook charting, all for free. Join ka na sa mga yan. No? And if you also would like to learn more about our system, please enroll now in our combo course. It's still available. Let us know if you're interested. Email me at coach@globalmirandaminor.com. With that said, God bless you guys. Maraming salamat po. And God bless you. I love you 3,500. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat po.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.